Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some essential consumables for electron microscopy. Whether you're a researcher, a student, or a professional in the field, these products will help ensure your experiments go smoothly. From copper conductive adhesive tape to carbon-coated TEM grids, let's explore these items and their specifications. Let's get started. Copper conductive adhesive tape. Our first product is copper conductive adhesive tape. This versatile tape is an essential tool in electron microscopy and electronics. Here's what makes it stand out. Specifications. Material: copper with a conductive adhesive. Width: 12.7 millimeters. Length: 16.4 meters. Single-sided and double-sided adhesive. Applications: used in grounding, electromagnetic interference shielding, and as a conductive path for electronic connections. Carbon-coated copper TEM grids. Now, let's take a closer look at carbon-coated copper TEM grids. These grids are perfect for certain biological and material applications. Specifications. Material: copper grid with a thin carbon coating on one or both sides. Coating thickness: the carbon layer typically ranges from 3 nanometers to 15 nanometers thick. Mesh sizes: 200 and 300 mesh. Quantity: pack of 25 and 50 grids, box. Enhanced conductivity: the carbon coating provides additional conductivity, reducing charging effects during imaging. Carbon conductive adhesive tape. Next, let's discuss double-sided adhesive carbon tape. This tape is crucial for attaching your samples to TEM grids or other substrates in electron microscopy. Specifications. Material: carbon adhesive tape. Conductivity: single and double-side adhesive. Width and length: 8 mm W x 20 milliliters. Applications: used to attach samples to TEM grids, ensuring they stay in place during imaging without causing charging or interference. Silver conductive paste. Finally, we have silver conductive paste, a critical tool for making reliable electrical connections in electron microscopy setups. Specifications. Material: silver particles suspended in a conductive paste medium. Resistance: very low electrical resistance, typically less than 0.0001 ohm cm. Viscosity: available in both thick and thin versions to suit different applications. Temperature stability: can withstand temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius, depending on the formulation. To summarize, these electron microscopy consumables are essential for a wide range of applications in both biological and materials research. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more research tools and techniques. Contact us.